Once the procedure ends, the clock begins ticking. Soils are quickly drying on the tip of your device. With each passing moment, manual cleaning becomes more difficult. The solution is the patented Distal Duck Tip Soaker. This point-of-use product begins to break down the bioburden on the instrument device tip immediately, turning transport time into pre-cleaning time and reducing any chance of costly damage to the device's tip. Simply puncture the membrane and slide your device to the bottom of the Distal Duck Tip Soaker. While the tip is completely submerged, the detergent begins to break down soils on the tip. Distal Duck Tip Soaker is available in 3 sizes to support point-of-use processing of multiple devices. The Distal Duck Tip Soaker is part of the complete line of point-of-use products, allowing for more thorough cleaning and faster turnaround time back to your operating room.